Let us solve another problem. So far we have done problems in which the term simultaneously came, okay, and now here in this problem the pipes are being operated alternately. Okay, we have already seen the problems where the pipes are being operated simultaneously, but here they are operating alternately. Okay, let us have a look. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 6 hours, 4 hours respectively. Okay, so whatever the pipes that are given, the pipe A and pipe B, both are inlet pipes. Both are inlet pipes. Okay, so A can fill the tank in 6 hours and B can fill the tank in 4 hours. Okay, if they open on alternate hours and if pipe A is opened first, what is the time to fill the tank? Okay, so as usual, however they may give, we have to do first the LCM. Okay, so what is the LCM of these two? That is 12, right? So 12 units will be the volume of the tank. Okay, so now they are opened in alternate hours and A is opened first. Okay, so now we'll just try to find the efficiencies of these two pipes. Okay, so for pipe A the efficiency is 1 by 6 of 12. Okay, that is 2 units per hour, and for pipe B it is 1 by 4 of 12, that is 3 units per hour. Okay, so now first what is opened? Pipe A is open, right? So if you take the tank, okay, so firstly the pipe A is getting opened and next the pipe B. For first hour A is opened, so it will fill how much? 2 units per hour, right? So in that it may fill 2 units of quantity. Okay, and next pipe B is opened, it will fill 3 units in 1 hour. 3 units in 1 hour. So with this will be the first hour and this will be the second hour. Then how about the third hour? In third hour again 2 units will be filled. Okay, and in fourth hour again 3 units will be filled. Okay, so in total how much time will it take to fill the tank? Okay, so in first hour 2 units, in second hour 3 units, right? So in first 2 hours 5 units will be filled. Okay, so first 2 hours 5 units will be filled. After 4 hours, how much extent of the tank will be filled? For the first 2 hours 5 units and the second 2 hours another 5 units. So in total 10 units will be filled. Okay, so now whose turn? Okay, now first hour is A, right? Pipe A, and second hour is B. Okay, similarly third hour is for A and fourth hour is for B, and after 4 hours whose turn is there? It is the turn of A, right? So A will be turned on. Okay, so in the 5th hour A will be turned on and that will fill 2 units. Okay, so 10 plus 2, that will be 12. 12 units will be the volume, right? So it takes in total, okay, in 4 hours 10 units will be filled, and in the last hour A will be opened and it will fill the remaining 2 units. Okay, so it takes in total how much time? How much time to fill 12 units of volume? 5 hours of time. Okay, so if 2 given inlet pipes are opened alternately such that A is opened first, it takes in total 5 hours to fill the tank. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this. This type is called as alternate pipes. Okay, we have already solved the problems on simultaneously opened pipes. Okay, so here the given pipes are opened alternately, one after the other. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this.